Hey guys, again welcome back to my channel City. So I'm back with today's IELTS test review of evening slot, that is 12 November 2020 real IELTS test review, and about the academic and general module. Okay, so today IDP and British Council conducted their exam and we already updated review regarding the morning section, so you can check it out. So let's begin with the review of evening section. So first we'll start out with the listening module for both academic and general module. And in part 1, they got fill up type question. Part 2, they got MCQs along with map. And in part 3, they got MCQs. And part 4, they got fill up type question. And overall, the listening section was easy only. And in morning slot also, the listening section was easy. So in the evening section also, the listening section was quite easy. Then we will see regarding the reading module. First, we'll check out with the reading module for academics. And regarding the answers, I will update as soon as possible. If I get all the answers correctly, means I will update as soon as possible. Now we will see regarding the reading module of academics. So passage 1 was quite easy, passage 2 was little bit moderate, and passage 3 was little bit tricky. Okay, but compared to the morning section, academic reading was quite easy only. In the morning section, it was too difficult, but in the afternoon section, it was quite easy. So in general module, in section 1, they got two easy passages, and section 2 was also easy, and section 3 was little bit moderate. The long passage was little bit moderate. But overall, it was fine, and all the students give positive results only. That means they find it as an easy only. Then moving on to the writing module, the task 1 of academic morning section, it was a bar chart, and in task 1 of academics in the evening section, it was a map, and it was quite easy. Okay, and moving on to the task 2, in the morning it was an opinion type essay, in the evening also it was an opinion type essay in the form of positive or negative development or the effect. So you can check out the question. In today's society, more and more work is done by machines. So do you think the positive effects of this development outweigh the negative effects on individual and society? So here you want to give more importance to the positive effect. Okay, so first you can start out with the introduction. There is no denying the fact that with the advent of technology, most of the work in the modern era is being done with the help of machines. The increasing use of machines in various fields may have certain drawbacks, but when we take the enormous benefit in your counter, negative can be ignored. So there are lots of positive effect rather than the negative. So we are going to check out with the positive and also the negative effect. So you want to give more importance to the positive side. So you can divide the body paragraph into three, with the two body paragraph with the positive effect and one body paragraph about the negative effect. Okay, so in the first body paragraph, you can start out with the positive side. On the positive side, the use of machines has helped to the reduce human effort and time being spent at workplaces. So that's the topic sentence. Machines have also helped enhance productivity. For instance, a packaging company which packs various products like cookies, peanuts, fruits, or vegetables are now able to package several hundred pieces at the same time with the use of conveyor belts and sealing machines, whereas in the earliest times they needed a lot of manual labor and several days to complete the same task. Then in the second body paragraph also we are going to discuss about the positive side. So you want to start out with a cohesive device. Moreover, that means the additional information about the same thing. Moreover, computer machines or robots manage our banks, and even tickets at the airport are issued by machine robots. The computerization certainly relieves human beings from dull, repetitive tasks without any human error. What is more, robotic surgery is being done to overcome the limitation of human beings, such as trembling of human hands. Microscopic surgeries and operations can be better done with the help of robotic surgeons. So that's all about the positive side. And then the third body paragraph, you need to mention about the negative side. On the negative side, manual work being replaced by machines poses a serious threat to the health of an individual. Thanks to the availability of home appliances like grinders and facilities like online shopping, people no longer have to flex their muscles to get the job done. The transition from the active lifestyle to a sedentary lifestyle hurts their fitness level and lead to various diseases in a long-term perspective. In addition to that, almost all the work is done by robots and the need for human labor is decreasing. This ultimately leads to unemployment. So you can add more points too. Then you can give conclusion. So you need to give more explanation and also examples. And you need to concentrate more on the positive side. Then moving on to the conclusion. In conclusion, there is no doubt that machines are efficient tools for saving time, energy, and also manpower. But at the same time, excessive use of machines in the workplace leads to unemployment. Over dependence on machines also causes health problems in humans. Okay, so that's all about the essay. So you can give more points to you. So at least you should maintain 250 words, you know that. And you should give more importance to task 2. Okay, so task 2 carries the double mark of or the twice more mark than the task 1. So you should give more importance to task 2. I hope you all written well. Regarding the answers of listening and reading, if I get it means I will update as soon as possible. So those who didn't watch the review section of morning section means you can check out the link below and you can check it out. So again, our prediction gone through. So I hope you all written well. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So if you are interested to get more IELTS lessons means please do subscribe our channel. Then only you will be notified about all the updates which I am going to give you. And also we are going to start our writing classes. Okay, so we are going to start with each type of essays and how you want to prepare and everything. So stay tuned for that. And if you are interested to join for our online classes means you can write me chapteronilts@gmail.com or else you can catch me in my WhatsApp number. So I will provide all the details in the description box. So try to check it out. And if you have any queries means you can write me and try to have a discussion section in the comment box regarding the answers. If you are confident about your listening and also the reading answers means you can have a discussion section in the comment box. It will be useful for all who wrote their exams today. So that's all. So stay tuned and I will be back. Thank you so much.